Legends of Learning presents the DocDuck Cells and Life game. This is a science game that makes learning about cells and life fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, help DocDuck study the differences between living and non-living things with a microscope. Find the difference between unicellular and multicellular organisms and learn more about tissues and organs. Use the spacebar to jump and collect all the different cells to then analyze them under a microscope. Learn more about all the different cells by reading interesting facts about science. Use the arrow keys to search for important parts of the cell, to do more research, to learn more about cells and life. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.